Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Let us make this loaded sweet potato with steak bites. I am going to show you every step of it. We are going to start by peeling our sweet potatoes and cutting the sweet potatoes into small sizes. Once all the sweet potatoes are cut into small sizes, you are going to put them in a bowl and wash your sweet potatoes. Once you are done cutting your sweet potatoes into small sizes and washing them, you'll put them in a pot and let them boil as we go to the next step of this recipe. On to the preparation of our steak bites. I'm going to be using these steak bites you're seeing right on the screen. I'm going to season them with some salt. That's what I'm doing right here. Then I'll also season them with some black pepper and some oil. Once I'm done with the seasoning of my steak bites, I am going ahead to sear these steak bites for about 10 minutes. Then we proceed to the next step of this recipe. You are going to ensure that you turn your steak bites oftenly to keep them from burning. Once that is done, you're going to remove your steak bites and put them in a plate and keep them aside as we go on to fry our onions. In the same wok or pan that I was using to sear my steak bites, I am going to add my onions and fry them until they are crispy. Once the onions are ready, you're going to add in the garlic and fry it until it's ready. Once the onions and garlic are ready, you're going now to add back your steak bites. To add more flavor, we are going to add some fresh rosemary to the steak bites and fry that. I am now going ahead to add some turmeric, and I'll also add some paprika. Then I'll mix that well until everything is well incorporated. The next thing I'm adding is some chopped capsicum and carrots into my steak bites. I'll go ahead and mix that until everything is well incorporated. You are going to keep mixing this until everything marinates well with the steak bites. The last thing you're going to add to this mixture is soy sauce. I did not add any salt in the process of cooking. Reason being that I used salt when I was marinating the steak bites, and also soy sauce has salt. As you can see right there, my sweet potatoes are ready. The next process is to mix everything with the sweet potatoes. And this is the end result of our recipe today. As you can see, it's looking really nice. I garnished this with some coriander and green onions. And this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you have liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.